Georgian Gates is a family-owned business. It's been going for about 20 years. They manufacture gates, railings, they do automated gates. They've had the same air quality problems since the business opened, really. It's a very dirty environment. It's a metal fabricating workshop, so you've got the fumes from the welding kits, you've got the grinding and the grinding dust. You've got a paint shop where you've got the fumes and the paint spray. You couldn't just feel it, you could see it in the air. We had quite a few people that would have coughs and sneezes and you blow your nose and it's dirty. So we knew there was an environmental issue there. I spoke with Camfil. They suggested getting the air tested first, which is what we did, and we did identify that we had some problems with the air quality. I then contacted Camfil again to say, we need to have a look, but we don't know what we want. That's when they came in and did a survey of the site and gave us some idea of what would work in here. The solution that was offered by Camfil was 2 industrial air cleaners. One wouldn't have been enough to clear both areas. Because we've got 2 areas that have the contaminants in, one side of the workshop has got the paint, on the other side you've got the grinding and the welding, so 2 was absolutely perfect for us. Camfil were great. Camfil did do what it says on the box. They were there for us, they did the survey, they provided the right solution. Their knowledge of what was needed in here, in this environment, was second to none, because we would have had no idea. When we've had a problem, they've been there, they've resolved the problem straight away. I did speak to a few companies, but Camfil were the ones that actually said to us, this is what you need exactly. Some of the others weren't that clear about what it would resolve, and they also gave us the assurance that if what they'd recommended didn't work, they would get something that did work, but what they recommended worked perfectly. So they know the job, and that's why we took on Camfil for our supplier, because they know what they're doing. They know that what they recommended would work for us.